Today I am going to tell about printer. Look at this picture. Yes, this is a printer. Children, do you know about printer? A machine that prints out information from a computer onto paper. The printer is used in getting the information in a printed format on a paper. How many types of printers are there? There are different types of printers available. They are inkjet printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer. Let us discuss about inkjet printer. Look at this picture. This is the inkjet printer. It is used for getting digital image. Inkjet printer are the most commonly used type of printer. Next one is laser printer. Look at this picture. This is the laser printer. Laser printer often print text more neatly than inkjet printers. Here we can see dot matrix printer, a printer in which each character is produced as an collective group of dots. Here we can see the example of dot matrix printer. Next, we are going to discuss about speaker. Look at this picture. This is the speaker. We can hear music through the speaker. The speaker is used in the multimedia systems. Okay children, today's section is over. You can revise the lesson and try to answer this question. First one, name the different types of printer. Answer: inkjet printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer. Second one is the speaker is used in the dash. Answer: multimedia systems. Okay children, you can practice it. I'll catch you in the next section. Thank you.